Good morning. Today is August the 4th, 2024. And I took one video and I'm going to take another video. This is another tall, old-fashioned pink pentas. I got this initially at Almost Eden Nursery, online nursery in Louisiana. And I took cuttings last fall. And I came up with 5 good cuttings. And I gave 2 of them away in a pot to friends. You can see this is probably about 2 feet tall. That's probably about the max that it gets, but it has lots of buds and flower clusters, and the nectar must be pretty good because the hummingbirds and the butterflies will go to it for nectar. Various other insects too, the bees. In the distance there, you can see a yellow blooming plant, and that is Henry Eiler. That's a native plant. And right beside it you can see ironweed, and that's getting ready to bloom. That's also a native flower. And then I have the red maple tree here. I have some agastache and also catmint in back of it. Some dianthus, marigolds. There's a couple of tropical milkweed seeds that came up on their own, and the plants are there getting ready to bloom. There is also 3 vermillionaire Kufiyas and 3 David Verity. David Verity's is in the back. It's a little taller. Right beside this area here, I have a agastache and feverfew in the bottom, and some marigolds in the bottom, and hot lip salvia. There's 3 hot lip salvias here. Over here, I have Mexican flame vine. Has a pretty orange flower. This is the first year I'm growing it. I got this as a little plant from a friend of mine. Have zinnias in a pot and a couple of marigolds. There's a big viburnum shrub here that the birds really love. And there's a really huge Japanese dappled willow that the birds also love. This area back here, I have plants that were almost all cuttings, and I grew them from last year. The lantanas I bought, but the Roman red, I used those as cuttings and had some problems in spring, but they outgrew it with white flies. And in the back, had moved some of the Brazilian verbenas, and the butterflies really like those, and the hummingbirds and other insects like the Roman red salvia and the lantanas. I have 2 different types of rudbeckia here. I don't know the names of them. They're sort of brown. This one's brown. There's a black and blue salvia there, and there's another rudbeckia. And in this pot I have some zinnias. I have 2 black and blue salvias and some cosmos. And over here I have a native prairie plant that's blooming. I forget the name of it right now, but it gets very tall. And these plants right here are swamp milkweed. We had some rain last night and the night before, so that was most welcome. So thanks for watching. And you can see the flowers. You can also see aphids on the stem, but that doesn't matter. Other birds will eat that, or this milkweed is for the monarch butterflies, which are few and far between. I'll finish with this bloom.